How to create playlist on YouTube channel. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I'll guide you on how to create playlist on YouTube channel. Now if you log into your YouTube and click on your profile icon. Before now, if you click on view channel, you're going to see the plus icon and the playlist close to the playlist, but if you look at my, see, it cannot be found. Now to fix this is what you have to do. You have to go to your browser. So for this video I'm going to my Firefox browser. I just have to go to my YouTube studio through the browser, the list of videos you already have. So right here, this is my videos. Now let's say you want to create a particular playlist for any of this video. Let me say the most recent. You click on the pencil icon there. When you click on the video, you see the pencil icon. So right here you see playlist. Now what you do is click on this drop down icon here. So right here you see new playlist. Click on the drop down steadily. Now so right here you click on the new playlist option here. So it will take you to this section. You can see create a new playlist. So you have to write the title that you want the playlist to have. Let's say Grok AI. Now you are going to write what you want that playlist to contain. Let's say troubleshooting. Now you can describe it more than just this. It can contain up to 5,000 words. Now you make it to be public. You select the language that you want your title and description to have for this. So we have a whole list of language here. You just have to select a particular one. For me, I always like selecting English, so you can select yours and click on create. So when you do that, it will automatically create, as you can see it here. So from there you can go back to your YouTube or your YouTube studio. From here you can even select the particular video and add it to the playlist. I hope this guide, if this video was helpful, do well to ask every question related to this video on the comment section. Thanks for watching.